What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for clicking that thumbnail. In this video, we're going to be reviewing a position at Chainlink Labs, and that position is that of an event manager. If you didn't know before, I am the Internet Income Ninja. I scour the internet and I search for various means and ways to make money online. I wholehearted, why, I wholeheartedly believe in starting businesses. However, there are some who don't want to, some who want to and don't have the funds, and some who have started and are using their funds from their jobs to fund their business. In other words, they use their 9 to 5 to fund their 5 to 9. Right? So this channel helps with allowing you to make money online. To help us out, to help this channel out, just hit the subscribe button. It's free. Smash the notification bell. That's free as well. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Back again. So, yeah. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and all those things. I really appreciate it. Now, jumping into the lead, Chainlink Labs, you'll learn a bit more about them later below or later down. But if you press this link, this button here, see I pressed it, it opens up their website. And I strongly encourage that you do so because you can learn so much about the company from their website. All right, this is what it looks like. Total value secured, 83 billion. $243,351,959.23. Start building your hybrid smart contract with Chainlink data and services, and you can see so much information about them. All right. Cool. So, again, you will be an event manager, and I forgot to mention this video is being recorded at 9:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Black Friday. Today is Friday, November 26th, 2021. All right. So, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Happy shopping for those who are shopping. And let's just jump into this. Oh, and at the time of this recording, this lead was posted 2 hours ago. So today is the 26th of November, 2021, 9:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This was posted 2 hours ago. All right, it is completely full-time and completely remote. You will be working in the marketing department. All right, awesome. So, want to help build one of the largest and most engaged communities in blockchain while traveling the world? We are looking for individuals to be the face of Chainlink Labs at community events. This will be an amazing opportunity to create a community immersed in Web3, blockchain, and smart contract culture from DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, and more. Plan events with the largest names in blockchain while creating unique experiences for both developers and blockchain enthusiasts. This role is a great way to start your career in blockchain technology with one of the leading industry players. Your responsibilities will be as follows. Plan multiple weekly events from start to finish according to requirements. Target audience and objectives. Create experiential events that use your creativity to bring people together. Identify venues, organize events logistics, and lead promotional activities for the event. Excuse me. Build relationships across the organization with the Chainlink ecosystem and industry thought leaders to collaborate on events as co-presenters, panelists, and guest speakers. Partner with marketing, sales, customer success, product, etc. to surface event opportunities and coordinate cross-functional deliverables. Source and negotiate with local vendors and suppliers. Analyze and document the event's success and apply those learnings to future events. So the requirements for this job, things that will qualify you: Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Arts in PR, Marketing, Hospitality Management, or related field is preferred. Outgoing and engaging, loves to meet new people. Interested in creating a growing and engaged community around these events. Willingness to travel 50 to 75% of the time. Process-oriented with the ability to multitask, execute, and organize multiple events at the same time. You want to make a positive impact through blockchains, smart contracts, and oracles. You use analytics and attendee feedback to create more engaging events. A knack for problem solving. Customer service orientation. Now, the principles of Chainlink Labs. They're committed to the key operating principles of ownership, focus, and open dialogue. We practice complete ownership, where everyone goes the extra mile to own outcomes into success. We understand that unflinching focus is a superpower and is how we channel our activity into technological achievements for the benefit of our entire ecosystem. We embrace open dialogue and critical feedback to arrive at an accurate and truthful picture of the reality that promotes both personal and organizational growth. So a bit more about Chainlink Labs. Chainlink is the industry standard Oracle network for connecting smart contracts to the real world. With Chainlink, developers can build hybrid smart contracts that combine on-chain code with an extensive collection of secure off-chain services powered by decentralized Oracle networks. Managed by a global decentralized community of hundreds of thousands of people, Chainlink is introducing a fairer model for contracts. Its network currently secures billions of dollars in value for smart contracts across the decentralized finance, that's DeFi, decentralized finance, insurance, and gaming ecosystems, among others. And by the way, there's a lot of people making money by playing NFT games or games that are built around the blockchain technology. Amazing stuff. You can buy characters for a certain amount of money, and then you use them, and there are people who are in the same game who want that character, and they'll pay you top dollar for these characters based on their abilities and so forth. It's really awesome. All right. So people could buy a character for a few hundred and end up selling it for a couple thousand. Hey, you talk about flipping real estate, people are flipping NFTs. So the full version of the Chainlink, we're back to the screen. The full version of the Chainlink network can be found in the Chainlink 2.0 white paper. And a lot of people say 2.0, but it's 2.0. I'm not going to be a stickler, but I say 2.0. So the full version of the Chainlink network can be found in the Chainlink 2.0 white paper. Chainlink is trusted by hundreds of organizations, from global enterprises to projects at the forefront of the blockchain economy, to deliver definitive truth via secure, reliable data. This role is location agnostic anywhere in the world, but we ask that you overlap some working hours with Eastern Standard Time. We are a fully distributed team and have the tools and benefits to support you in your remote work environment. Chainlink Labs is an equal opportunity employer, so they don't discriminate against anyone for whatever reason. They hire everybody as long as you're qualified. So to apply for this role, hit this button. You should also hit the subscribe button. You should also hit that notification bell. Right? You should also like. You should share. And comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know how things are this time of year in your region. Always interested in learning how different people live. So hit me up. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you're doing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, share. By the way, check out those other links in the description as well. You'll be pleasantly surprised when you see those. They'll teach you how to build your own online business that runs even if you're doing something else. They make money even if you're doing something else. All right, guys. So check those links out. Make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys. Cool. Peace.